Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment. Advance our programming for data analytics in business. Week 9 assignment time. So the first question is, which of the following best describes the role of the error term mu t in an AR process used for modeling financial returns? So these are the option, and the answer of our first question is C. The unexpected information shock at time t. Now the second question is, what does it means if the autocorrelation function of series at lag 1 is close to positive first? So these are the option, and the answer of our second question is C. The series has a strong persistence of shocks. Now the third question is, which of the following R function is not related to detect the presence of autocorrelation in time series residuals? So these are the option, and the answer of our third question is D. Now the fourth question is, what is the benefit of using generalized error distribution GED in Gauge modeling? So these are the option, and the answer of our fourth question is C. Better modeling of fat tails in financial returns. Now the fifth question is, if the autoregressive coefficient in an AR process is greater than 1, what happens to the process? So these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is C. It becomes explosive. Now the sixth question is, what is the main reason to augment the basic Dickey-Fuller test? So these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is C. To correct for serial correlation in the error term. Now the seventh question is, which of the following best distinguish an ARMA 1, 1 process in term of its ACF and PACF pattern? So these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is B. Both ACF and PACF decline exponentially. Now the eighth question is, which statistical test is best suited for checking if multiple autocorrelation coefficient up to a certain lag are jointly zero? So these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is B. Box-Pierce Q test. Now the ninth question is, in an AR process Y1 psi yt minus 1 plus mu t, under which condition is the process stationary? So these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is C. Now the 10th question is, what is the typical issue encountered with very complex ARMA model, example AR5MA3 in fitting? So these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is B. Overfitting and unstable parameter estimation. Now the 11th question is, if the null hypothesis of the KPSS test is not rejected, what does this imply? So these are the option, and the answer of our 11th question is C. The series is stationary. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.